Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the Data Privacy Manager. Many organizations that run SAP store vast amounts of personal and sensitive data ranging from employee medical information to customer and vendor-related data. It is crucial to ensure that SAP end users only have access to the personal and sensitive data necessary for their job functions. However, due to the numerous transaction codes and SAP tables, identifying where personal data is stored in the SAP system can be challenging. Fortunately, Soterion's Data Privacy Manager can search all SAP tables to identify which ones contain personal data. By classifying which datasets are sensitive to your organization, the Data Privacy Manager can help define an access risk rule set based on the flagged data. This way, you can monitor who has access to personal data and perform what-if simulations on proposed role changes or role allocations. Moreover, a data privacy owner can review and approve any sensitive access before assigning it to a user. Take control of your personal sensitive data in SAP with Soterion's Data Privacy Manager. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.